I am not the fittest person in the world, but I always did try to at least get a certain amount of steps in or keep up a certain level of activity as I moved about my day. With the pandemic, however, and with working from home, that level of fitness or activity dropped down to almost zero, and I realized that my life became pretty much sedentary. And a few months ago, I decided to change that. Hey guys, it's your girl Nelly B, and as you can see, no makeup, no pretty up, no dolled up today because I want to talk about something a little different than I usually talk about, which is about my fitness routine. Ideally, I don't share much about my fitness because it's just not something I've ever really shared about, but I realized that with this pandemic and with everything that's going on, we should talk about it because for many of us, our lives in terms of our fitness and our just physical activity has pretty much dropped down to almost zero. For a significant portion of this year that I've been working from home, it would literally just be me getting up, walking downstairs, sitting in front of my computer and starting my workday, and only moving to go eat or shower or go downstairs and get a package. My energy levels in itself was already a struggle because with PCOS I also have chronic fatigue syndrome, which has me tired all the time. But when I was still moving about, I really made that effort, but being home, I kind of slipped into that complete lack of activity. A few months ago though, I decided that okay, enough is enough. I need to find a way to get back active. But I wanted to do it in such a way that I could be more active and get a workout in the comfort of my own home. I'm going to pause real quick just to say that as a plus size woman, I despise going to the gym because of negative experiences I've had there. So I bought a jump rope and I've been having myself a time skipping rope. My knees have been having themselves a time dealing with me skipping rope, but it's been a really good experience thus far. So I started looking at getting like resistance bands, resistance training, and that's how I ended up with this. This is the NPET or NPET resistance band set. So this resistance band set is the seated and lying cable crossover set. It comes with 5 cables, one at 10 pounds, 20 pounds, 30 pounds, 40 pounds, and 50 pounds resistance. So in total, if you combine them, you get 150 pounds of resistance. It also comes with a variety of accessories that can help you use them in various ways to work out different parts of your body. In addition to the box that it came in, it also came with this handy drawstring bag as well as a pamphlet that gives you a breakdown of the different ways that you can actually use the resistance bands. So instead of just talking about the bands and how they're used, I actually wanted to show you guys how I go about using them in the different ways and in the different parts of my home. And that is how that works. I'm going to go in with the actual handles for the resistance bands so that I have something to hold on to firmly. So to give a quick demonstration on how I use it in this position, I know my form is not the best, my form is not perfect, but I'm getting there. I do different variations. I may do like this and come straight, like circular way, or I may just come straight down forward, or I would face the door and pull down on it as well. So this is one of the ways that I use it. The other way that I could use it is I could actually have these, instead of it being connected to the door, I could have it under my feet, so I can essentially do a curl with it using it that way. Also, what's pretty cool is that if I'm done with the upper body exercise, all I have to do is change out this handle for this strap, and this strap is Velcro. Wrap this around my ankle, and then I can use this same accessory at the base of the door to get some leg exercises in. And yes, I use them for squats too, and let me tell you, it makes a huge difference. and that is how I use the resistance bands. Since I've been using them, I could say that I've just been feeling overall a lot better. I'm not like exercising to lose weight per se. I just want to feel good and not just feel kind of bogged down and sluggish and tired all the time. So that combined with the bit of jump rope that I've been doing, I have been feeling really good. If you're working from home like me, I would really encourage you to check out getting resistance bands if you're working out at home. If not, I encourage you anyway to just move around, walk around, go for a walk, a run, a jog, or whatever the case may be, to get some exercise in at least 3 times a week. With everything that is going on in the world right now, I think that we really just have to try our best to take care of ourselves, and that includes, you know, not just our mental health with everything that's going on, but also our physical health too. For more information on the resistance bands, you can click the link in the description. It'll take you to their site where you can get more info on that and the other products that they offer. So let me know, are you someone who would consider using resistance bands? What is your exercise routine like at home? Are you getting in any exercise at home? Are you getting in any exercise at all? Or do you prefer going to the gym? Let's have a discussion. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, take care and God bless. Bye.